We gonna start this thing alright.
Hi, welcome to today's episode of Cook Better, Live Better. Today we are bringing you boneless, skinless fried chicken with flavored noodles and broccoli. So right now I am seasoning our flour. The chicken has already been washed, but I'm seasoning up the flour. I'm adding in some seasoning salt and of course my fave, some garlic salt. I am mixing that all together. And again, I have already washed the chicken, so now I'm going to also season the chicken. As I shared with you all before, I love flavorful food, even if I'm making it quickly. So I am seasoning the chicken. I'm being certain to season both sides. It's very important. I've shared that in a previous video, but you want to season both sides. And the reason the seasoning is pretty important is because I haven't marinated the chicken. I have run home from a long day of work. And then I'm going to dredge it into the flour mixture. And the interesting part for me, again, to save time, is I don't dip my chicken in egg and back and forth. I really make one drudge do with the flour, and I promise you the chicken comes out super crispy and crunchy. So again, I'm just flipping all the chicken in the flour, making sure that it is thoroughly coated. I feel like it goes on and on and on, but it's so worth it. So I'm continuing to coat each and every piece of chicken in the flour. And when it comes to boneless chicken, I tend to do this one by one. In past recipes, you all may have seen when I put all the chicken in and shook it up. For boneless breasts, because they're already a drier piece of chicken, I like to just take that extra time to coat them one by one, especially since I'm not using egg or mustard or any other adhesive blend for the flour. So this doesn't take much time, but I do like to make sure it's all coated. I am really meticulously going through. Okay, so now I am dropping the first batch into the deep fryer. I love my deep fryer. This chicken will be golden brown and ready to go in about 8 minutes. So now that's in the deep fryer. And while we have that first batch of chicken on, of course, I'm going to go ahead and tackle those sides. Sides tonight is chicken flavored pasta noodles. So I'm going to put the water on for the noodles. And I made a bit of a mess. I am going to clean it up. You'll see in today's video it's been quite a few mess. It's been a long day. So we have that water on. I'm adding just a little bit of, can't believe it's not butter, so that the pasta is moist. So while I'm waiting for that water to boil, I have dropped a second batch of chicken. And I am taking out the chicken that's ready. I think my video got a little bit out of order, but this is the first batch of chicken that's ready. And look at all that golden brown goodness. This is how fried chicken should look. Yum. Okay, so we got that batch down. We're going to put the next batch in. So now that we have that batch in, I'm dropping it in. And I'm cleaning as I go. I have a few videos about cleaning up, but one thing that I really like to do as I'm cooking is truly just to clean as you go. It makes the nightly cleanup routine a lot easier. You make sure that you don't have any cross-contamination going on, for example, but it's just easier to keep your kitchen clean and clean as you go. So now that I have that chicken in, we got that batch cooking. I'm feeling a little anxious, but can't make it cook any faster than it is. So now look at all of that frying up. Yum. So now that water's finally boiling, I'm gonna drop in our noodles. And these noodles literally take about 7 minutes to cook once the water's boiled. So again, super simple, easy recipes, a full meal that you can have ready in about a half hour or less, depending on the cooking appliances that you use. So I'm just going to mix up the noodles with the seasoning so that everything is appropriately mixed up. And then once I get the noodles mixed, I'll take a peek at that chicken, see how that's coming along. Things are looking good. So now I'm taking out that second batch. I love the deep fryer. I'm going to leave the link down below if anyone is interested in the deep fryer that I use. I like that mine has the 2 baskets, so you can cook a lot more food faster. So I'll link it down below if you're interested. So now we have our chicken out. Dinner is 1/3 of the way complete. That looks so good. Perfect. Let's check on our noodles. They're coming along. Probably about another 3 or 4 minutes before they're ready. And just want to remind everyone, if you're enjoying these videos, please remember to subscribe. So now I actually put the broccoli cauliflower mixture steamed in the microwave. I did that off camera, but now I'm pouring it out, and oh boy, I made a mess. But that's okay, I'll clean it up. But that's a broccoli cauliflower steamed mixture. So we have our vegetable ready, we have our meat ready, and we're just waiting on our pasta. So those are our veggies. And now the pasta is ready. So that rotation is really, really key. As I've shared before, you want to make sure you get your meat started, whatever your meat's going to be, whether you're grilling it, frying it, baking it, sauteing it. Get the meat on first and then prepare your sides. And now dinner is served. 22 minutes in total. We have steamed vegetables, pasta noodles, and golden brown fried chicken breasts. I hope everyone enjoyed. Comment down below if you tried this recipe. Bye.
We gonna start this thing alright.